We do continue to monitor snow conditions in the Sierra. KCRA 3's Lizzie Mitri is live in the Soda Springs area. And Lizzie, is it still coming down out there?
Yeah, just as you tossed to us, the snow kind of lightened up, but we're feeling the wind, and it's a bit of a different picture than when we saw you about an hour ago. If you can take a look, the snow is sticking to the ground right now. We're here at the Donner Pass Road exit off I-80 at the Donner Summit gas station. You can see the chain controls are in place, so even the tow truck behind me, the driver was out there getting the chains on there, getting things ready. And the wind has really been the thing kind of blowing the snow and sometimes causing challenges for visibility out here. And many people we talked to were just not prepared for this. Travelers along I-80, we talked to some of them earlier today. Take a look at what they said. The sound of the wind whipping the snow sideways and the squish of sandals on the wet pavement. That pretty much sums up this spring storm. Several people wore shorts. This couple tried to take cover from the snow on the way back to their truck with a boat in tow. You can see many traveling on Interstate 80 stopping at the Donner Pass rest area were not ready for this.
Absolutely not.
Danny Doctor agreed to talk to us, but only from the warmth of his vehicle.
I'm wearing shorts and some little short socks, so yeah, I wasn't expecting it.
We also ran into Alejandro Hernandez.
Well, it's crazy.
If you're wondering, he did not pack a warmer jacket for his trip to Tahoe.
It's just this. Hopefully that's enough.
Further west at the Nyack Road exit, Kellen Ness stopped for gas.
I'm from Sacramento, but the funny thing is we just got back from Turks and Caicos literally a day ago, and now we are headed up here, and I was not expecting the snow.
We did find one person prepared for this, though.
We've been watching the weather because I work outside all day, so it doesn't matter what we do.
Derek Haig made this stop earlier in the day before the snow really started to pick up.
Just get some fuel, make sure my generator's all full before it gets any worse. I filled it up this morning in anticipation, so might as well come and fill up the can so I don't have to worry about it later.
He's staying in a travel trailer in the area, ready with plenty of fuel, food, and firewood for the night.
All right, you guys be safe.
Stay warm.
Take care.
You can see some of the semis pulled over on I-80 going westbound over there. There have been a few reports today of spin-outs, crashes that CHP has had to respond to. There was a big rig reported in a ditch in this area of Soda Springs and I-80 when it was traveling eastbound. But overall, CHP tells us the traffic has actually been a lot lighter than usual, so maybe a good thing. Not a lot of cars on the road out here today. Live near Soda Springs, Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 News.
All right, thank you, Lizzie. Stay safe out there.